Is your lawnmower seat cracked, torn, or uncomfortable while you mow? A worn or damaged seat can make every mowing job less comfortable and may even affect the seat safety system, which is essential for proper mower operation. Welcome to WholeToolBox. Your lawnmower seat is exposed to constant vibration, direct sunlight, moisture, dirt, and everyday wear. Over time, the seat cushion can deteriorate, the seat base may crack, and the mounting hardware can loosen. These issues can reduce comfort, provide inadequate support, and potentially impact safe mower operation. It is typically mounted on the mower's rear fender assembly and connected to a seat safety switch located beneath the seat. To find the correct replacement lawn mower seat for your mower, click the link in the description below. Before you begin, remove the ignition key, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the spark plug wire. Raise the seat and locate the seat safety switch wiring harness underneath. If equipped, disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the plastic release tab on the connector and pulling it apart. Next, remove the seat mounting hardware using a 1/4 inch or 5/16 inch nut driver or socket wrench. Turn the fasteners counterclockwise to remove them. Once the hardware has been removed, lift the old seat off the mower. Position the new seat on the mounting bracket and align the mounting holes. Reattach the mounting hardware and tighten it securely. Reconnect the seat safety switch wiring harness, making sure all connections are fully seated and secure. Lower the seat and verify that it moves freely and latches properly. Reconnect the spark plug wire and start the mower. Test the seat safety system to confirm the mower operates correctly when the seat is occupied and that all seat functions are working as intended. For replacement parts, repair guides, and maintenance resources for lawnmowers, snowblowers, and outdoor power equipment from leading brands, visit WholeToolBox.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more repair and maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.